Ano po, may ano po siya, yung may
Why Mrs. Diskaya is not here?
Who will answer?
Your Honor, yung misis ko po ay nagpadala po dito ng ng excuse letter po na hindi po siya makakarating dahil po sa mga valid reason po.
If I may, what is the valid reason?
Bali ano po, may ano po siya, yung may heart condition din po siya at saka po nagpadala po siya ng letter po dito. Hindi ko lang po nabasa kung ano yung iba pang content.
Okay, for the record and for the information of everybody, sumulat po si Mrs. Diskaya, chairperson, so forth and so on, subject inability to attend the Committee on Accountability of Public Officers and so forth and so on. I deeply regret to inform you that I will be unable to attend the Committee on Accountability of Public Officers and Investigations, fourth public hearing scheduled for September 18 at 9 a.m. Or 9 in the morning. Regrettably, I have an important meeting with my employees on the day of the hearing to explain the problem that the company is facing now and the effects this has on them. This meeting was already scheduled before I received the Honorable Committee's invitation this late afternoon. And some of my employees will be coming from various places, thus I can no longer cancel the meeting set for tomorrow. As such, I'm sincerely sorry that I will be unable to attend the committee hearing. Very truly yours, signed, Cesara Rowena C. Diskaya.
Mr. Chairman, with that letter, nagsisinungaling itong si Mr. Diskaya na meron daw karamdaman yung kanyang asawa.
And Mr. Chair, nanumpa ito to tell the truth. And dito, harap-harapang nagsinungaling ka, binabastos mo kami, niloloko mo kami. Diba? Iba yung sinasabi mo, medical condition. Kung may medical condition, sige nga, bigyan mo nga kami ng medical certificate. Iba yung sinasabi, mismo na misis mo eh. Di ba kayo nag-usap? Sana nag-usap muna kayong dalawa. Ano bang palusot ang gagawin natin, sweetheart or darling?
The chair has already ruled on the motion, so you're hereby cited in contempt of the committee, Mr. Diskaya.